Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So, you have a video cassette that you've inserted in your VCR. It's been playing for a while, and then suddenly it stops. You get up to the VCR, insert the tape in again, and it does the same thing. It ejects again. What gives? What's the gag? Alright, we'll flip this over. And if you don't already know this, there's a little button right here at the end of my pencil eraser. You press that, open this door, and this door opens when the tape is inserted inside the machine, by the way. But to keep it open, understanding it's spring-loaded, we're going to put that marker. Alright, so on a video cassette, you have a clear leader, okay? You have the splice tape here, and you have the magnetic film. You have this clear leader at the beginning and end of each cassette. So, take this and turn this back around. You can see that clear leader, I hope. Maybe a bit sticking out there, okay? One at the beginning and one at the end. So what's happening is this. There are sensors inside your VCR that once you press play, that gives a signal to the mode sensor switch to go ahead and play the tape. The tape moves along, but if there is a tear in this magnetic film for some reason, and this is a common problem in rental tapes, as people would take them in and out whichever way, where the tape would get stuck for whatever reason, they would pull them out, the magnetic film would get torn, that sensor would believe that it was time to stop, because that's what this film is right here. This clear leader, rather, at the beginning and end of the tape. It tells the tape to start and stop. This is the entire purpose. So when you get to the end of a tape, if you've ever been around where a tape is played to the very end and it stops and rewinds itself, that's the whole point of this right here. Okay? So again, the reason for that is if you get a tear in the magnetic film, those sensors pick up, hey, the tape's got to stop. We must have reached the end. And that is why your VCR will stop with a tape right in the middle of there. Okay? Now, the thing to do is you don't want to fast forward or rewind it at all or try to force that. Take the tape out and take a look at it and check if you can see any type of tears. You'll see, all you're going to see if it's torn, you're going to see clear, just like this clear leader right here. And if you see that, just leave it just like that. Okay? And there's really nothing you can do about it at all. If it's at the beginning or the very end, you can edit that out. You know, you can just clip it out. But if it's right there, there's nothing you can do. Okay? Alright, that's it. Do contact me at the social media outlets listed on the screen. And remember, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.